Vax, we love clean.
Hello, my name is Vicky from Vax. I'm here today to show you how to maintain and replace the filters on your Power Upright vacuum cleaner. But first, the health and safety bit. Always make sure your machine is switched off and unplugged at the mains before you do anything. Okay, so why do we need to change our filters? Well, firstly, make sure that your machine is performing at its best, and secondly, it helps prolong the life of your machine. So for the maintenance bit, Vax recommend every time that you empty your vacuum cleaner, make sure that you check your filter. So to empty, and check your filter. Now, I always recommend tapping it on a hard surface. That will loosen any dirt or debris. Then rinse under warm water and leave to air dry. But before you replace it, make sure it's completely bone dry before you replace it. However, if your filter is extremely dirty, like this one, or if it's up to 12 months, we always recommend that you change your filters. Now, changing your filters, we recommend you use genuine Vax spares. Now, the reason for that is it helps with the performance of your machine and it makes sure that you get the best out of your machine. Vax make it easy. When you order your filters for this particular machine, it comes in the form of a maintenance kit, like so. You can purchase your maintenance kit from vax.co.uk. So let me show you how to change your filters. Simply take your filter out of the box, pop in and replace the lid. Easy. Now, we also have a second post-motor filter with this machine, which is at the base of the machine. Now, this can be rinsed on a regular basis, but we do recommend after every 12 months that you do replace it. And it's in your kit. So simply place down and return your dirty container. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching. We love clean.